Okay, hello. This is the small overview of how you can run the VR game or VR application on your PC without using any headset. Okay, first of all, you need to go to the asset store. Let me just go to the asset store and search for the Meta XR simulator. Just look at this. This have to be exactly that. Just open in Unity and it will go to the just download it and it will install it in your piece in your project, and then you need to just go to Oculus Meta Simulator and activate it. That's it. And in the scene when you play it, the XR simulator will open exactly like that. Just let me just expand it. These are the inputs you can show here. Let me just move around. It will just WASD, and you can just rotate it on Q and E and R to raise up your camera. This is simple thing, and I need to interact with it. Let me just authorize. Yes, right eye. Okay. Yes, you can interact with it. This is the that was the teleport thing. Let me just interact with this. Yes. uh, Little bit down. Yes, as you can see, I grab it. As you can see, I will grab it and have the interaction with it, and I can move around and interact with these things. uh, or you can see all the inputs from there from your keyboard and mouse. So that's how you can run your um, VR game in your PC, this simulator. Okay, thank you.